Emergency preparedness has been on your mind. This is a solid device that I picked up off the TikTok shop. You have an adjustable fan with up to 8 miles an hour of airflow. You can adjust the degree of rotation, and you also have 3 light modes that are very, very bright. Not only that, but you have a built-in 20,000 milliamp charging system in the base with a USB-A and a USB-C charging port. So this is perfect for all of your camping trips and or if you deal with a power outage or some sort of storm. Check this out, guys. It's on a great deal, and I have it pinned down below for you.